Hey, good afternoon. It's Pat from Alphahorn.com doing a follow-up video to the one I did pre-market this morning. At that time, we were sitting about right here waiting for the jobs report to come out, and I was surmising that if we had another disappointing jobs number, that we were setting up for a potential short as the market opened. What we're looking for with my future system is either green candles with white backgrounds that trade above this red-green indicator here for the long trade, or red candles with a gray background that trade below it for short trades. Here's a trade we had yesterday. We came from a set of red candles with a gray background to a white background with green candles that broke above this line, and we have a nice 5 point run for the ES, and a nice sweet little trade. That's exactly the type of thing we're looking for, unlike anything we got today. So the jobs number came out, 196,000, much better than expected, and the market rallied on the news. And I waited for the market to kind of settle in and thought maybe it would finally roll over. My wave count is calling for a pullback, not the pullback, but a pullback coming soon. And I thought maybe it would happen this morning. And so after the initial euphoria of the jobs number, the market did show some weakness. Came down, made its low of the day, and as it broke through the barrier here, this was a bad trade. I should have waited for this candle to close. I would not have taken this trade. There was still no gray background, but I did take it. I had a stop in place, took a loss on it. So a little bit later on, we bounced above it, and we came down with a gray background, waited for the confirming candle, doubled up my short this time around, and I turned out it ended right before the low of the day. From there, the market rallied. It got stopped out for a bigger loss, and I was down a fair amount at this point in the day. I went long again here, and it took me a while to figure out what the market was going to do today. And just one thing that typically would keep me from trading anymore is the presence of yellow candles. Yellow candles are indecision, and they're an indicator we're going to have a lot of chop in the market for that day. Yellow candle is one of the indicators is bullish, one's bearish. A red candle, both of the indicators that make up the candle are bearish. Green, both of them are bullish. So as you can see, they're chopping all over the place. But as we made this second high for the day and started backtracking a little bit, it finally dawned on me that this is probably going to end up being a ending diagonal. And when we came down here, made this candle low and bounced off of it, I just continued to layer into my trade, and by this point I had 6 contracts on, and I was very confident that we were going to finish at the high for the day and complete this ending diagonal, the 5th up here. So I waited, till we got up as close to the line as I could wait, and then I just exited all the trades, able to squeak out a small profit, $140 for the day after a terrible start. It was a bad day of trading for me, but it was a choppy tape. Made some trading mistakes in the morning, but once I recognized what was going on, I was able to recover and at least get out with a small profit. Anyway, going into next week with an ending diagonal here, I would expect a potential gap down on Monday. So look for weakness Monday. I'll be looking with a short bias, but trade what's in front of me. That's it for today. I'll come back over the weekend and do a recap of how the systems performed since we rolled it out last Thursday, and I hope everybody's doing well. We'll also I'll do a weekly recap for the Alphahorn swing system as well. So check back with us. See you soon.